guys, what's up? Jannel here. So today I have 3 to 7, so I decided to mess around a little bit. So I learned Blame It on the Rain by He Is We. So here we go. I'm sorry, my kitten is sleeping, but it's okay because he doesn't mind if I play guitar. Anyway, so this is Blame It on the Rain by He Is We, so don't laugh if I mess it up because I just learned it like 2 seconds ago. Okay, cool? Okay, cool. Tell me, am I crazy? Is this more than a crush? I catch my breath, the one you took, the moment you entered the room. My heart, it breaks and derp, 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 derp. I think I'm alone in this, but I find peace in solitude, knowing if I had just one kiss, this whole room would be glowing. We'd be glowing. We'd be glowing. Tell me that she look at you the way I do. Try to understand the words you say and the way you move. That she get the same big rush when you go in for a hug and your cheeks brush. Tell me, am I crazy, or is this more than a crush? Tell me, am I crazy, or is this more than a crush? So that was the whole song, but you know, it was good enough, I guess. So I'm going to learn it more and post the whole song when I'm ready, because I'm not ready, obviously. But hope you guys liked it, and hope I get a lot of views. Okay, cool, bye. Lol.